How's it going, man? Staying alive?
You staying alive?
Dude, just try not to lick doorknobs, man. Oh. Okay, so one of the fun things with the GoPro Fusion is when you're sharing your perspective, try to play with different perspectives. So imagine like you're a video game designer. The best way to be a video game designer is you just kind of adventure and you kind of explore. When you have the whole world life experience, the whole perspective, the whole 360 vibes. And I personally found it's so much more fun to shoot photos while you're sharing what you're sharing.